Morning class. Today we are going to study maths, and in today's session we will take two or three topics.
We'll take our first topic, that is rounding off. First we will see rounding off to the nearest tens. We all know the place value that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So whenever we want to do rounding off to the nearest 10, we always see the place value which is just before the tens. We all know the place value sequence, that is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So we know the sequence of these place value. So when we are asked to do rounding off to the nearest tens, we will see the place just before the tens. So the place just before the tens is ones. So whenever the question says then round off to the nearest tens, we will always see the place or number which is come in the place of ones. Now we will take some example. For example, 24. Okay, this is the example. Now before solving this question, let me give you one simple trick also, that I am dividing the numbers into two categories, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the category 1 from 0 to 1 category, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the second category. Okay, I have already told you that if we want to do rounding off to the nearest 10, we always see the place of ones or number which is in the place of ones. So 24 is the example. So we will see the place of ones. So just see that 4 is in the category of 1 or 4 is in the category of 2. Here we can see the 4 is in the category of 1. If number which is in the place of ones comes in the category of ones, the number which is in the place of ones will become 0. Okay, so this 4 will become 0, and the rounding off to the nearest tens, the result is 24 is equal to 20. Now I will give you some more example. For example, 56. Now we will see the place of ones. So in the place of ones, number 6 is written. So 6 come in the category of 2. When the number which is in the place of ones falls in category 2, then we always add plus 1 in the place of tens. So this is ones, this is tens. I have said you na that when it is in when ones which is when ones will fall in the category of 2, we always add plus 1 to the tens. So 1 plus 6 is equal to 6, and this 6 will converted into 0. So the rounding off to the nearest tens of 56 is equal to 60. Some more example like 74. So 4 is in the category of 1. So this will like 70. Another example, that is 99. So 9 is in the category of second category, so we will add 1 in place of 10. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, and this 9 will become 0. So this is all about rounding off to the nearest tens. Now we will see rounding off to the nearest 100. So same steps for this also, that now rounding off to the nearest 100. For example, 264. Okay, so when we want to do rounding off to the nearest 100, the place value which comes just before 100 is tens. So we will check the place value of tens, or the number which is written on the place of tens. So once tens, 6 is in the place of tens. So now again we will see that 6 falls in the category of 1 or under the category of 2. We can easily see that 6 falls under the category of 2. So we will add plus 1 in 100 place. This will become 2 plus 1, 3. 6 will become 0, and 4 will also become 0. Second example, 2, 2, 2. So we will see the number which is in the place of tens, that is 2. So 2 falls under the category of 1. So this will become 2, 0, 0. One more example, 792. The place value just before the 100 is tens, and 9 is in the place of tens. So 9 is in the category of 2. We will add 1 plus 1 in place of 100. So this will come 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 9 will become 0, and 2 will also become 0. This is all about rounding off to the nearest 100. Now we will see rounding off to the nearest 1000. So again we will follow all those steps which we have followed in the rounding off to the nearest 10 and rounding off to the nearest 100. So, example, 2162. So the ones, tens, 100,000. The place value which comes just before the 1000 is 100. Ones, tens, 100. So we will check the number which is in the place of 100. So 1, again it falls into the category of 1. So this will like 2000. Now second example, 2777. So we will see the place value of 100. So in the place value of 100, 7 comes. So 7 is in the category of 2. So this will give plus 1 to the 1000, and this will become 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 will become 0, 0 and 0. Some more example, 3294. We will see the number which is in the place of 100. 2 is in the category of 1. So this will like 3. 2 will become 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now we will see One more example, 9999. So we will see the number which is in the place of 100, that is 9, and 9 falls under the category of second. This will give plus 1 to the 1000. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. This 9 will become 0, 0 and 0. This is all about rounding off to the nearest 1000. We have seen rounding off to the nearest tens, rounding off to the nearest 100 and rounding off to the nearest 1000. Thank you.